So as we have just now discussed the structure of glucose molecule, very similarly we're going to discuss the structure of fructose molecule. So fructose is a polyhydroxy compound with ketone group. So the open chain structure of fructose looks something like this. CH2OH, it's a ketone group, so it cannot be at the terminal position. It is at carbon number 2, 1, 2. We have 3, 4, 5 and 6. CH2OH. In this we have OH molecule, because this is basically capital D. They actually resemble glyceraldehyde molecule. This is the last chiral carbon, which is carbon number 5. 3, 4, 5. In this, we on right hand side we have OH group, so that's why we called it what? Capital D. Okay, and which is the case with glucose molecule also. The major difference between glucose and fructose is that glucose molecule is primarily dextrorotatory and fructose is lavrorotatory. What it means is that glucose molecule rotate the light in clockwise direction and they rotate the light in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so in carbon number 3 we always have H on the right hand side, OH, H and OH molecule. Now this is the open chain structure. You can call it what? D. Okay, and this is lavrorotatory, so negative sign I can write over here, and then fructose you can call it, fructose molecule. Okay, but again, just like aldehyde, there is a cyclic structure of glucose, and it also happens to be in what? Two form, alpha form and beta form. So for that, what happen is, this carbon number 2 will be forming a bond with carbon number 5. So this C double bond O will get H over here, so one group will become OH and CH2OH is attached to carbon number 2. Alright, so what happen is, if OH is on the right hand side, that will be the alpha form. If OH is on the left hand side, it will be beta form. So again, it exists in alpha and beta form in cyclic structure. So first I'll draw it for the alpha form. Now what will happen over here? This carbon number 2 will be bonding with carbon number 5, and this structure is similar to a structure known as what? The furan. Furan looks something like this. It's like it is again heterocyclic molecule. This is furan. Get it? So this structure is similar to this. So I'll just draw this structure right away. Like see, if it is forming a cyclic chain, so carbon number 2 is connected to carbon number 5 via this oxygen, because this hydrogen will go over here and become OH group. Okay, so I'll draw the structure like this. Let's say this is our oxygen. This oxygen is connected to carbon number 5 and carbon number 2. So I'll draw carbon number 2 over here, carbon number 3, carbon number 4 and carbon number 5. Okay, carbon number 5, CH2OH is always in the up position, CH2OH, that makes H on the downside. Now this carbon number 5 and carbon number 2 are, this carbon number 5 and carbon number 2 are connected via this oxygen. At carbon number 2, if CH2OH, or you can say if this OH group which is forming over here with this hydrogen is on the right hand side, if it is right hand side, we'll draw it downward, OH, and this CH2OH will be up. So this is nothing but the alpha form. Other way to identify alpha is that this CH2OH, this OH is an opposite side, we call it alpha form. At carbon number 5 we have CH2OH and carbon number 2 we have OH. So when they're on opposite side, that is alpha form. For carbon number 3 it is very easy. Hydrogen is on the right hand side, so it should come down, right, and OH should be up. Carbon number 4, OH is on the right hand side, it will come down and H will at up. Now this is alpha form. Okay, and this is capital D, because on carbon number this last chiral carbon in the open chain structure we have OH on the right hand side. So this is alpha form D. And this is fructose. Fructose is primarily lavrorotatory. It rotates the plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction. So we'll put minus sign for that, right? And we can call this molecule glucofuranose, because this molecule is furan. It is similar to that. So it is what? Glucofuranose. Sorry, my bad. Fructofuranose. It is fructose, right? So it will be fructofuranose. Fructofuranose. Similarly, for the glucose molecule, the name will be, so again it can happen like in two form. Other form, what change will come? Only at carbon number 2 it will be reversed, right? So that's why it is also anomeric form. It is like anomer of it, because only at one carbon there is change in position. So I'll just draw the beta form also over here. This is oxygen, this carbon number 2. Only at carbon number 2 there is reverse, right? So we have CH2OH on downside and OH on same side. This is our carbon number 5. CH2OH is always on top, right? And H on down. And rest of the molecule is same. This carbon number 3. So H is on the right hand side, H, OH. And carbon number 4, we have OH on the right hand side, so OH and H. So the only difference between these two carbon is at carbon number 2, the reverse of it. So that's why it is anomer, and this is nothing but a beta form, right? D with respect to the open chain structure, glyceraldehyde molecule, and this is lavorotatory, so minus sign will be there, and fructofuranose will be the name. Fructofuranose. Similarly, I'll just write the name of the glucose molecule. So that also exists in alpha form, capital D, but those are dextrorotatory. So over there plus sign will come. And the molecule name will be glucopyranose, because over there the similar structure is of pyran molecule, right? So the name will be glucopyranose. That we have discussed like in the previous session. So this was the molecule. So alpha and beta, alpha actually you can write in front actually. So alpha D plus, because they are always dextrorotatory, and glucose or glucopyranose because they are similar to pyran molecule. This is the pyran molecule. They are similar to this. So we will call for the glucopyranose. I'll write the name over here, at least of this one. It is the alpha form, capital D, because of the glyceraldehyde molecule, right? This is glyceraldehyde molecule. CHO, OH on the right hand side, H, and CH 2OH. Correct? Yes. So last chiral carbon is similar to this. So that's why this is the D form. If at last carbon, if OH on the other side, we call it for the capital L form. So this is in with respect to glyceraldehyde molecule. Anyways, so this is the alpha form, capital D. They are dextrorotatory, so that's why the plus sign. And it is gluco, similar to the pyran molecule, so glucopyranose. And the other variation of this is what? Same molecule, just the beta form, D, they are dextrorotatory, glucopyranose. So that is the basic structure of glucose, and this is the basic structure of, fructose molecule, right? Alpha and beta form. Okay. Now we will discuss in next session that the disaccharide, the cane sugar, which is made up of glucose and fructose together, how it is connected, how glucose and fructose molecules are connected together. Okay.